As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes one of the most important factors in preserving independence and quality of life. After 60, the process of sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle mass and strength, accelerates, making everyday activities like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or even standing up more difficult. However, there are certain foods that can help rebuild muscle and slow down the effects of sarcopenia, and one group of foods that stands out are fruits. Yes, you heard that right, fruits. These delicious, nutrient-packed foods are not only great for your overall health, but can also play a pivotal role in rebuilding muscle, providing energy, and reversing the effects of sarcopenia after 60. I'm Dr. Nancy Weller, and today I'm going to share with you the top 5 fruits that can help rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia. These fruits are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that your body needs to stay strong, active, and healthy as you age. Whether you're looking to preserve muscle mass, boost strength, or simply feel better, these fruits can support you in achieving those goals. Let's dive in and discover the top 5 fruits that can help rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia. The first fruit on our list is bananas. Bananas are a fantastic source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a key role in muscle function. Potassium helps maintain fluid balance in the body and supports muscle contractions, which is crucial for maintaining strength and mobility as we age. As we lose muscle mass, we also lose strength and coordination, but potassium helps counteract these effects by improving muscle function. Additionally, bananas are rich in vitamin B6, which is involved in protein metabolism and helps your body use the protein you eat more efficiently. Since muscle repair and growth rely on protein intake, having sufficient vitamin B6 ensures that your body can build and maintain muscle tissue effectively. Bananas are also easily digestible and can provide a quick energy boost, making them a great snack before or after a workout to support muscle recovery. Next on the list is avocados. While avocados are often classified as a vegetable, they are technically a fruit, and they are one of the best fruits you can eat for muscle health. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are essential for maintaining healthy cell membranes and providing a steady energy source. As we age, our bodies require more healthy fats to support various bodily functions, including muscle building and repair. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which, as we mentioned earlier, is crucial for muscle function. What makes avocados stand out is their high content of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress and damage. Vitamin E can also support muscle recovery by reducing inflammation, which is important when you're working to rebuild muscle. By adding avocados to your diet, you can support both muscle growth and recovery while also boosting your overall health. The third fruit on our list is oranges. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, and this vitamin plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, the protein that helps maintain the structure of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, which can contribute to muscle and joint stiffness. By eating oranges and other vitamin C-rich fruits, you can support your body's natural collagen production and prevent muscle loss associated with aging. Vitamin C is also important for immune function and wound healing, which can help your body recover after exercise or muscle injury. Additionally, oranges are rich in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, another important factor for preventing muscle loss. Whether you enjoy them on their own, in a smoothie, or as part of a salad, oranges are a fantastic fruit for anyone looking to rebuild muscle and support overall health after 60. Next up is apples. While apples may not be the first fruit that comes to mind when you think about muscle health, they actually offer some impressive benefits. Apples are high in fiber, particularly pectin, which helps regulate digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are important for muscle health because fluctuations in blood sugar can impair muscle function and recovery. Apples also contain quercetin, an antioxidant that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and can help reduce muscle soreness after exercise. As we age, inflammation becomes a common issue that can slow down muscle recovery and promote muscle breakdown. By eating apples regularly, you can help combat inflammation and support muscle repair. Additionally, apples provide a natural source of vitamin C, which, as we saw earlier, is essential for collagen production and muscle health. Finally, we come to berries, particularly blueberries and strawberries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. This is especially important for seniors who are working to rebuild muscle, as chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle breakdown and slow down recovery. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve muscle function and muscle recovery. Strawberries, on the other hand, are an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports collagen production and helps prevent muscle loss. Berries are also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. They provide a low-calorie, nutrient-dense option for seniors who want to maintain a healthy weight while supporting muscle health. So, why are these fruits particularly effective at reversing sarcopenia and rebuilding muscle after 60? The answer lies in the combination of essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber they provide. These nutrients support everything from muscle repair and collagen production to digestion, blood sugar regulation, and inflammation reduction. By including these fruits in your diet regularly, you can provide your body with the tools it needs to fight muscle loss and promote muscle growth, all while supporting overall health and vitality. Incorporating these fruits into your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy them on their own, blend them into smoothies, toss them into salads, or even bake them into healthy desserts. The key is consistency. By making these fruits a regular part of your meals, you'll be giving your body the nutrients it needs to fight sarcopenia, support muscle growth, and stay strong and active as you age. In conclusion, if you're over 65 and looking to rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia, these top 5 fruits should be part of your daily diet. Bananas, avocados, oranges, apples, and berries are all rich in the nutrients that support muscle function, collagen production, and overall health. By including these fruits in your meals, you'll be taking a proactive approach to staying strong and independent as you get older. Start adding these fruits to your diet today and enjoy the benefits they bring to your muscle health and overall well-being.